food testing, guys.
আমি ওইটা সিদ্ধ হবে কিনা সম্ভব
We usually have with our hands. So let's see how it tastes.
সো বেসিক্যালি আজকে আমি ঘর গোছানো স্টাফ করেছি, যার জন্য তুই এত সুন্দর করে ব্লগগুলো করতে পারলি, মানে
Thank God.
ক্যাপচার করতে পারলি।
Timing बहुत अच्छा है.
We didn't have any plans যে তোরা আসবি বলে মানে ব্লগ শুট হবে বলে হবে, just like that it happened casually. And
ঝরঝরে হয়ে যাবে তো
ভাই আজকে তো আগের দিনেরটা চেয়েও বেটার হয়েছে।
It's really good, guys, and it's really not that spicy, not that plain, just in the middle, just what you want before.
Just as it should taste.
Yeah, just what you want before a journey. जैसे इन लोग को पता था हम लोग जा रहे हैं एकदम स्पाइसी, मुझे तो लगा स्पाइसी होगा.
बिरयानी थोड़ी स्पाइसी ज़्यादा होती भी नहीं है,
अच्छा.
कोलकाता बिरयानी बहुत स्पाइसी है।
And the table is quite nice. I really like this table. Black glass.
अमित যদি কিছুটা
ये कितना में लिया? Table 10,000. 10,000.
হ্যাঁ এগুলো ভালো
Came with 4 chairs. 4 chairs, right?
ইয়েস
4 chairs. Nice, really nice. And Adhika is having a cup of wine.
কাপ গ্লাস।
बकवास है ये।
This is not a wine.
This is not wine first of all, and this is not cup and glass.
तुझे अभी समझ में आया? हाँ, मैं मजाक कर रहा था भाई.
Oh, really?
And we are just looking at the photos, and actually they are a newly married couple, which you can see. This photo is really comedy. I thought that मैं सोचा था कोई बहू है.
She is actually,
Pixie है. Oh my god. And the dog name is Pixie. She's actually really beautiful. A Labrador.
and they are, मतलब like क्या बोलते हैं? Father mother है उनका.
Mother है. Mother. Anyways, guys, the food was really great, and yeah, I really feel grateful. मैं भी तरह बात करने लग गया.
Grateful, mother, not mother.
Grateful to have neighbors and friends like that. And now we don't have any time. We have to go for the packing. Call
नहीं,
the
ये farewell बहुत अच्छा था, like बिरयानी.
yeah.
Seriously. And we
we are
enjoyed
also
the food.
and we are also just keeping all of our luggages over there in their house, and it's really kind
हाँ
of
हाँ
them
मैं बेरिया फोन करती
to
हूँ, रखो.
keep all of the luggages for us, because it's not possible to keep, to take all of the luggages, including my dumbbell. And these dumbbells are 12.5 kilos. I guess you already know that. You have seen my vlog. I have been carrying them from Calcutta 2018 and still using the same dumbbells. And we have a few more things which we have to do.
Oh fuck.
And we are
8:42.
अभी तब तो 500 दिखा रहा. Well guys, as you can see, the fare is showing up somewhat about 842 rupees, and it's 9 a.m. Actually 9 p.m. Sorry, 9 p.m. So we are going to check after.
Supply
हम लोग थोड़ा देर बाद चेक करेंगे, फिर कम होगा, समझा? And guys, since we have some time in hand to book the cab, so we can take our time, and this is the advantage when you plan ahead. You can actually wait for the fare to go down, but if we were to be in a hurry, we wouldn't have had this luxury of waiting for the fare to go down. I hope that makes sense.
तूने अपना वो आरके से तो ऐप डाउनलोड किया?
वो हो जाएगा, मेरा मोबाइल बहुत फास्ट है. ओके, हाय बोल दे.
नहीं बोलना है यार.
And now guys, we have just waited a bit and the fare has come down to 688. और 2 मिनट आगे दिखाया था
842.
842 उसमें
So,
200 रुपया कम हो गया.
Book.
Book. And it seems like well, Pradeepa just spoke with the Uber driver, and he is also asking for an extra fare because of the lockdown. I think we should not actually be giving them any extra fare, because they get a lot of fare and try to always cancel the trips. I think they at least have a source of income. We should help them who are trying, but they can't, they are not able to fulfill their basic needs. Uber driver, by the way guys, Uber driver earn a lot. Some of them even earn in lakhs. So I think if they are asking for a higher price, please try to negotiate and pay whatever the Uber is charging you for. Okay. Well guys, presenting to you the world's best suitcase. हाँ देख मुँह दिखा थोड़ा. ये suitcase इतना अच्छा है कि ये खड़ा भी नहीं होता है. हाँ, इसको अगर ऐसे करके खड़ा करोगे तो ये गिर जाएगा.
इसमें
हाँ,
बहुत कुछ है, मैंने
और
फोटो
फिर-
डिस्प्ले तेरा वाला भी करती हूँ, रुक।
मत कर वो वाला मत कर.
अच्छा तो मेरा वाला कर सकता है
और
क्यों ऐसा?
इसका जो ये भी मतलब चेन है, बहुत ही लग्जरी टाइप है. लग्जरी चेन है ये, देखिए.
ठीक है, कोई नहीं, मतलब
हाँ,
अभी तो
बहुत
मैं
ज़्यादा
गरीब
लग्जरी
हूँ,
है.
अभी
और ये वाला तो काम ही नहीं करता है.
तो ठीक है, अभी तो मैं गरीब हूँ,
मतलब
इसलिए ना-
इतना लग्जरी. और ये लॉक तो बस दिखावे के लिए. कितना मिल गया? 100 रुपये मिल गया क्या? क्या चांदनी चौक से
देख अभी तो मैं गरीब हूँ,
50 रुपये.
ठीक है, पैसा मिल रहा है.
And it's my last goodbye to this apartment which I have been staying, and I really would miss this apartment, and especially the view guys from the 20th floor. Oh my god. So the Uber driver is almost here and we are waiting with the luggage. Do you miss this apartment or
Yes, I will miss this apartment.
Oh, she's so tensed. Bye bye apartment.
Bye bye.
It's so hot and we are wearing this mask and carrying this luggage. It seems impossible. Anyways guys, you can see the amount of luggage is very low. One bag, one suitcase, one bag, one suitcase, one bag. And madam is playing a bit safe and carrying some sanitizers too. And she forgot this t-shirt which I bought for her. Excited for this vacation.
A little bit, not much.
She's more
Because मैं बहुत
tense.
like
She's more tense than excited. Plastic ले रहे हैं. First time. ये थोड़ा ये है जोलो का मैनेजर. He has been really kind to us. बहुत ही स्वीट बंदा है और बहुत हेल्प करता है हमेशा. एंड मैडम ने पूरा स्प्रे अवे कर लिया. बहुत ही खराब हालत है. भैया आप कितना कोविड पेशेंट आप लिए आज? भैया आप अच्छा आप नहीं लेते हो तो ठीक है.
मेरी गाड़ी सिलेंडर
अच्छा गाड़ी में सिलेंडर.
ऑक्सीजन वाला कैसा रहता है ना, उसको लेकर चलता हूँ.
हाँ देखा है मैंने आपके मतलब
ओहो.
what happened? Oh shit.
ओह
Goodbye but
भाई पर आना तो पड़ेगा. कल का ओपनिंग प्राइस इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. मार्केट अगर फ्लैट खुलता है तो
so fragile.
Lockdown after India reported the highest number of deaths with COVID-19 over at home to review the situation. Our correspondent Zarina Gupta is in Delhi. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started
Everything behind the new and exciting feelings.
announcing.
Anyways guys, so we are just nearing the airport, and as you can see India just I guess within the last 24 hours has crossed the highest number of deaths worldwide. So the situation is very dangerous, and we are trying to reach home as far as possible, I mean as fast as possible, and I don't know whether we will be able to reach home. And yeah, I'm going to end this vlog over here, and the next vlog I'm going to start right at the airport. So stay tuned, where I'll be narrating the entire story, whether I'll be able to go home or not. Okay, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and it was a really risky move from my end to go out and vlog in this scenario. So I hope you appreciate the same, and do give it a like, subscribe. Go like, subscribe.
like subscribe
Oh, please share. अरे
क्योंकि
वाह.
मैं इससे ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ, बहुत टेंशन में, बहुत जल्दी घर पहुँच रहे हैं, घर वाले भी बहुत टेंशन में हैं.
So anyways, yeah, I just need your love, and please do take care of yourself, and I'll meet you next time. Okay.
Bye.
मैडम टेंशन कर रहे हैं मैडम, टेंशन कर रहे हो कि नहीं? हाँ या ना?
हाँ
क्यों?